Hey friends, welcome to the ocean on this beautiful ship. There's just two things that I bring with me to make sure that I'm going to get something that tastes really great, like orgasmically delicious, and helps me be healthy. Just two things. I got this bag here of this superfoods shake mix that's in powder form, and because it's in powder form, I bring with this here blender bottle. And it's got a little spongy thing at the bottom so that when I shake it for just a few seconds, it blends up to a really good consistency. So these superfoods are foods that just have an abnormally high, dense amount of nutrition per calorie. So it builds up the immune system, helps make you healthy, and fight off disease or prevent disease, or prevent getting sick. And it's so convenient. And what I love about traveling with this, other than it's orgasmically delicious, it saves a ton of money. Like, tons of money, wherever I'm traveling, whether it's a cruise or I'm at home and I'm not traveling. I've been drinking this every day for many years. So I guess I'm not going to get sick of it. And if you're interested in looking at it for your own health and wellness and convenience and money saving and all those things, just private message me. I'll send you a direct link and you can look at all the ingredients and you can research it, and if you want to try it out, you can try it out. And I make a commission every time it sells, and I always like to be forthcomingly honest, in the spirit of forthcoming honesty. And if you decide not to try it, it's totally cool. Don't worry about it. But at least get the link from me so you can look at it and see if it's something you want to use in your life, a tool for your health and your wellness and your convenience, a time saver versus making a meal. And my basic plan is I just replace one meal a day, breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and then I just eat reasonably good the rest of the day. And that goes a long way. It's a pretty powerful tool. It goes a long way. It's a simple concept. It saves a ton of money. It tastes really amazing. And does a lot for the immune system and supporting being healthy. Okay? So I'll hear from you soon. My website, by the way, private message me, but my website is tombruckenmeyer.com, just like it's spelled here on social media. tombruckenmeyer.com. And if you like cruising, I hope you go on one, because they're so freaking amazing. And if you don't like cruising, do something that you really, really enjoy doing and bring a bag of this superfood shake with you and get your nutrition day in and day out. Bye for now, everybody. And please share this video if you'd like. Mwah.